Welcome to BTL Ed 1C Report. I am your reporter, Jay Fuentes. The navies of the Philippines, United States, and France begin their multilateral maritime exercise in the West Philippine Sea on Thursday, April 25. Jay Fuentes reporting. Thank you, Jane. Jane, in an interview, Armed Forces of the Philippines, Western Land and spokesperson Captain Ariel Colomas said that VRP Ramon Alcaraz and VRP Davao del Sur left Puerto Princesa, Palawan about 9 a.m., marking the start of the drills. The French Fremendrere and the USS Harford Safari should be followed Navy warships. Coloma says, just timely for the Philippines to have drills because the country shares the same security challenges with the partner nations. The activity, which is part of the Balitatan War Games, will see the Navy of Manila, Washington, and Paris conduct various drills, including downry exercises and maritime search and rescue. The naval activities in the western section of Exclusive Economic Zone will last until April 29. This comes, says substantial increase in the number of Chinese vessels was monitored in the West Philippine Sea before the official start of the 39th alliteration of Balitatan exercises on April 22. Navy spokesperson for the West Philippine Sea, Commodore Roy Vincent Trinidad, said that a total 124 Chinese vessels and warships were monitored inside the country's in western section of the Exclusive Economic Zone on April 16 to 22. But despite this, Trinidad added that China is not expected to interfere with the drills, Beijing and sovereignty, and entire South China Sea, including the most of West Philippine Sea, but it claims to have effectively by the July of 2016. Arbitral Tribunal ruling that stemmed from a care found in Manila in 2013. Jane? Thank you, Jane. For more infos, kindly visit our page, which is BTL Ed, for more infos. Thank you and have a nice day.